A key tool of supply and demand planning best practices is using the common project management tool, the work breakdown structure. The work breakdown structure, WBS, is a scope planning process that starts at the highest level with key deliverables and is used to organize the team's work into manageable sections. A work breakdown structure is not a to-do list. A work breakdown structure defines the objectives of the work at hand at all levels in the organization. It is a list of deliverables that have been clearly defined and are measurable. Each level contains the measurable components that must be produced or achieved in order to reach the overall objective, completion, and delivery of the overall goal. Supply management's part in the process is to determine what goods and services will be needed to satisfy the work plan over a specific period of time. Some organizations do this planning quarterly, others yearly. Large multinational companies may require monthly planning review sessions to ensure their plans are on track. It is important that each of the objectives and their corresponding schedules be clearly defined and specified in sufficient detail that allows SCM to start their contracting process. Supply Management's plan outlines how the parts and services identified in each level for each area of the operation will be ordered and scheduled to support each of the team's objectives. The work breakdown structure must be developed with sufficient levels of detail that clearly define the different team projects and sub-projects, as well as the materials and services needed to complete them. This WBS details who's responsible for what key deliverables to determine a comprehensive classification of scope to be included in each contract that organizes the team's efforts into discrete and manageable sections. A WBS helps the team to see where the risk factors are by managing interfaces, identifying vague scopes, and determining what deliverables need to be included in each agreement. The WBS is the first step in implementing the second pillar, strategic contracting.